Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the engine air filter. It's a really easy fix. You can do it yourself without any real tools. So I was looking at the BMW user guide, and it has this condition-based service model where you need to change certain parts when the car tells you it's not at the fixed interval. So when it says you need to change the engine oil, you should replace the engine oil and oil filter, the air conditioning microfilter, so that's the cabin filter, which should be replaced. And with every second engine oil change you should replace the fuel filter, and every second engine oil change the intake noise damper, replace air filter element. So that means I don't know why they call it that, but that's the engine air filter, which I'm going to do now. And then you should reset the service display. Okay, so let's start. So this is the BMW 5 Series F11 model with it's the 520d. So I got the new air filter for it. This was saying that it's original quality. It's a man filter. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get an appropriate air filter. This one cost 50 euros, but I have seen some for as low as 30 euros, but I guess the quality does vary a bit. Okay, so first what you need to do is lift this engine cover. It doesn't have any clips on the side, it doesn't have any screws, so all you do is lift it out. So it's fixed with these four kind of clips which push down in the or around the air filter. So as you can see, the old air filter is really dusty, so it's a good thing to change this, because it also can affect your gasoline consumption, kind of increase your consumption if it's really dirty. So in order to get the oil air filter out, you need to turn it kind of anti-clockwise, so in this direction. There's a small clip here, but if you just lift from the other end, it will come out, and then you can lift it out. So according to the service history, it says that it was last changed around 100 kilometers, and now this car has about 150,000 kilometers on it, so it's 50,000 kilometers of driving. It doesn't look that dirty inside, but on the outside it's really dirty. I'm going to also get a hoover to vacuum this area to clean it a bit. Okay, now I have vacuumed the area a bit. I will still use a wet towel to wipe it off, to get some of the dust away. Okay, so now it's cleaned off. Let's place the new air filter in place. So this side goes down, the hole visible there. We need to insert it like this, and then it should slide in place. Okay, and now it holds in place. If we would change the oil and the filter, we would disassemble here, and the filter is down, oil filter is down there, but that doesn't need to be done anymore. So let's just place the cover back in place. Okay, so those 4 clips are now in place. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.